Hello everyone. So in today's video, I'll be talking about Microsoft Office. So in the past couple of years, I don't think they sell Microsoft Office anymore as software. So if you want to use Microsoft Office, you have to go on this website and order a subscription for it. Not sure how much they charge for using Microsoft Office. Maybe they charge like $10 to $15 a month or something, but let me check. $6 to $22 a month, depending on what you get. If you want to get Word, Excel, and all the other stuff, you're paying $12.50 a month for this service. I don't know if they give you a discount if you buy a 1-year subscription or not, but this is what they charge. And here's another package, 365 Business Premium, $22 a month. And this is what you would expect to get for Microsoft Office. And I have the older version of Microsoft Office, which is Microsoft Office 2007. And the way that I use it is through Virtualbox. I'm going to start Windows here on my Virtualbox. And I managed to install the printer on Virtualbox for Windows XP. And I could print stuff from this virtual machine, basically. If you want to know how to create a virtual machine, I have tutorials on that. I'll leave that in the video description and the video card on the top right corner if you're interested. And I'll just type "Hello World." This is Microsoft Office 2007. It's pretty old, but it has everything you need as a word processor, basically. So if I wanted to print this, I installed the printer driver for this, and I'm able to print stuff from it. So my printer is detected. This is a network printer, as you can see. The way I installed the network, the way I installed this driver was I downloaded the full driver for my HP LaserJet 2035N printer. I could print from this, but I'm not going to print right now because I don't have to. So let me go here and close this. So I could definitely print from this for my virtual machine, which has Windows XP installed in it. And there's also another method that I use. I have an old computer. This is a Pentium IV 3.0 gigahertz HT. And I'm also able to print from here as well. And this is also connected to my network printer. If I wanted to print this, I could print this from my network printer also. No problem. The good thing about this one is I'm able to write stuff from my desktop and go back to here and paste it. You can't do that with Virtualbox, unfortunately, but you could do that with this thing. Hello world, how are you doing? So I could print that if I wanted to. And I don't have to pay the ridiculous, or not ridiculous, I don't have to pay the subscription fee to use Microsoft Office. And I have all the features for Microsoft Office, which is Access, Excel, Groove, InfoPath, OneNote, Outlook, PowerPoint 2007, Microsoft Publisher, Office Publisher, and that. So it comes with everything I need for it. And I'm able to do this without paying a subscription fee. So I'll show you the system. It is indeed an old Pentium IV computer. As you can see, 3 gigahertz, 2 gigabytes of RAM. Show you another thing. System, hardware device manager. I'm using this computer through network, so it's connected to my a switch, and the switch is connected to my router, and I'm using it that way. I'm connecting it this way. So this is Windows XP. This is legacy operating system, but I'm still able to connect to it with Windows 11. As you can see, this computer is using Windows 11. And I'm able to connect to a legacy operating system like Windows XP. And I'm able to get all the functionality as remote desktop access, which is pretty cool, by the way. See, this is a Pentium IV. The display driver on this thing is an NVIDIA GeForce 6800. So this is an old computer, and I'm able to use Microsoft Office on it. I'm going to shut this down. Okay, so I shut it down. So if you have an old copy of Windows XP, or if you have an old computer, you could still use Microsoft Office, the older version. They have 2010. I think they have Microsoft Office. I'm not sure which ones they have exactly. They have Microsoft Office 2016 and various versions. But I guess Microsoft wants to move to the cloud, so people would have to pay a subscription fee instead of just buying the software outright and using it. So that's my take on it. So if you have any questions, you could leave it in the comment section below.